for joining our Storm Center coverage here at the Weather Network. Here's a look from Montreal, seeing quite heavy rainfall even in the areas of Quebec. We've been seeing reports of flooding across the region as well. Lots of rainfall, lots of lightning, and even damage from a potential tornado in Barrhaven, Ontario. Earlier this afternoon, down trees. We've also been seeing down fences and roofs just blown off of homes. We are going to continue to see this threat into the evening hours as well, but here's a quick look at what we have been seeing in terms of lightning. Very dense lightning strikes right across eastern Ontario and through southern regions of Quebec. Now, as we take a look at the afternoon into the evening's forecast for these storms, we're still continuing to see them make its way eastward into areas like the eastern townships of Quebec, crossing over the St. Lawrence. So a very dynamic storm structure, and all the ingredients are there. There is that storm threat diminishing throughout the overnight hours, making its way in through northern regions of Quebec, and then by your Friday, a more scattered threat to see some storms popping up in nature, non-severe for areas like southwestern Ontario and northeastern sections. Areas like Quebec, southern portions of the province will be in the clear, which is some good news after a very eventful Thursday afternoon. As we head into your Friday, here's a look at the regions highlighted in yellow on your screen for that non-severe threat, and then in through areas of the maritime provinces, stretching all the way in through portions of Labrador. We've been seeing some cells popping up as well Thursday afternoon in through areas of Nova Scotia along this warm front, and then as we continue in through your Thursday over into your Friday, some more heavier rainfall pushing in for a western Newfoundland, and then we're looking at that storm threat impacting areas of New Brunswick with that heavy rainfall pushing in across the region also. Now, in terms of how much rainfall could we be expecting, upwards to over 50 plus millimeters of rainfall in southwestern Newfoundland, areas across New Brunswick and through the Gaspé region, looking upwards to 30 plus millimeters of rainfall for you. Now, over and through the west, we're still dealing with quite a bit of active weather, some active conditions continue in through Manitoba, northwestern Ontario, and we're going to continue to see these develop later into the day for areas highlighted in orange on your screen for areas of BC and Alberta. So quite some scattered storms right along this boundary, and that'll continue in through the evening hours. Start to diminish, some strong winds as well right up along the international border, and this trough pushes in for Friday. It's looking at the threat to see a very similar risk of storms, non-severe in nature. We are also dealing with smoke returning through southern regions of BC, including the interior sections and many areas of Alberta and Saskatchewan. That'll continue into your Thursday overnight as we head well into your Friday. Now, overall conditions, this might help to prevent the threat for these storms to pop up in nature across Western Canada. The storm is kind of like the smoke, in fact, is kind of like a cap, which helps to diminish the storm threat. So it is a little bit of good news, and of course the lightning threat with these storms are not too much good news because they could ignite more fires across the region. But overall, very similar threat, non-severe in nature for your Friday, as we continue to see strong winds, small hail, and heavy rainfall right across the region. And we're also looking at the threat to see more sunnier skies for areas like Vancouver, where we haven't been seeing much rainfall in the past couple of days. So temperatures will be getting into the high 20s, feeling closer like the 30s, and a little bit of a cool down as we head into your next work week with lots of sunshine in the forecast.